Welcome to this slow English listening on the topic of the weather. Anna wakes up at 7 o'clock and looks out of her bedroom window. The sky is gray. There are many dark clouds. It looks like rain today, she thinks. Anna puts on her raincoat and takes her umbrella. Better safe than sorry, she says to herself. She leaves her house at 8 o'clock. When she opens the door, she feels the cold wind on her face. The wind is strong and loud. Anna walks to the bus stop. She doesn't want to walk to work because of the bad weather. While Anna is waiting, the rain starts. First, just a few drops, then heavier and heavier. Anna opens her umbrella. Good thing I brought this, she thinks. Anna arrives at the bookshop where she works. Her boss says, "Terrible weather today, isn't it?" Anna agrees. She doesn't like rainy days. They make her feel sad. Anna can hear the rain hitting the windows. Tap, tap, tap. At lunchtime, Anna goes to the cafe across the street. While she is eating her sandwich, something wonderful happens. The rain stops. The dark clouds move away. The sun comes out. The sky becomes blue and bright. Anna smiles. She loves this moment when the weather changes from bad to good. Now, tell me, how does the weather affect your mood? Do rainy days make you feel sad, or do you enjoy them? Share your answers in the comments.